Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug. On the application of Snapchat, we go to settings. In this page here, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, we go to above here and you can search about the application of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.